Hey guys, what's up? I am TonyaNicole for you guys that do not know, and welcome back to my channel. I want to say a big thanks to all of my brand new subscribers. Thank you guys for hitting that button and becoming part of our bomb ass subscriber squad family. I appreciate you guys so much and I'm so happy to have you. Guys, do y'all know what today is? Well, if y'all don't know, now you're gonna know. It's my favorite subscription day, guys. It's LashyBox. And since it's lashes today, y'all, I was in Walmart and I saw these little lashes here with the little purple tips on them. And I said, you know what? Let me throw these lashes on and see what they think about them. I absolutely hate them. But it's Halloween time and we're just getting into the spirit, guys. Y'all, I don't know what y'all could call me today. Call me I don't know. I don't know what this look is today. I was just trying to be fun and have a little fun with you guys. So guys, if you guys want to see what's inside of my October Lashy box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these lashes, boo. Okay, guys, so y'all, look. I was trying to get into the little Halloween spirit and start off October with this little, I don't know what kind of look this is, y'all. I was just trying to be fun and have a little fun with you guys, but I think it's kind of like an epic fail. I kind of hate it, but we're gonna go with it. The lashes have these little purple tips on it, so I want y'all to call me Purple Rain today. And I got a little mole right there. Y'all know y'all want a mole too. Anyway, guys, today is a very fun day for me, a very exciting day for me. Y'all know I love LashyBox, and I'm so excited to see what we have. I did not open it because I wanted it to be a surprise for you guys when we unbox it together. I'm going to give you a few little specs on this LashyBox, and then we're going to get right on into the unboxing. Y'all ready? For you guys that do not know, LashyBox is a $13.99 monthly lash subscription box. You get 4 pairs of lashes each month. They give you some beauty tools, sometimes some palettes, some eyelash glue. I mean, it's just a great subscription to have. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. So they did come out with a soft natural box. I did not know about this until maybe like a week ago. And I think that one is $13.99. It's more natural and softer lashes, which I think is good for all of my beginner girls that are afraid of the dramatic lashes like we wearing today. You could just get like the soft natural box, and they also have the dramatic box, which y'all, the lashes are even sometimes a little too dramatic for me. That's why I just stick to the regular LashyBox. And there's the LashyBox Mini, which is $9.99 per month, and you get a variety of lashes and beauty products as well. So guys, that is all of the specs. Let's get right on into it. Are y'all ready? Ooh. Oh, this is what I'm gonna just show you a little glimpse of the inside of the box. Y'all see what I see for $13? Up first, I am seeing, it comes in like this little baggie here. Oh, well, the little case that it came in is broken. Now pull it out, we have this, guys, right here. So let's see what this is. So this is teeth. Okay, let me regroup. So it came in this little case here, and my case is broken. They have, I guess this is the little piece that goes with it, this little gold piece. So it's broken, guys. So we're just gonna throw that to the side. I also received in that little packet this little baggie here that looks like 2 teeth or something in it. And also this was in the little baggie with these little white balls in it. So I don't know what that is. Let me see what's going on with this. So take a cup of hot water, 80 to 100 degrees, transfer 7 to 8 particles into the water until the particles become soft and transparent. Take out the softened gum with a small spoon, shake off moisture, do not touch with your hands. Use a spoon to fill the gum in the denture bed. Oh! Okay, y'all, so, okay, so we got some fangs this month in our LashyBox. This is so cute, and this is the glue that you have to soften in some water and stick on your gums or your tooth and put the fangs on. So let's open up these fangs real quick. I'm not gonna put them on today because that's gonna take too long. But I'm gonna try to remember to wear them in Wednesday or Friday's video. Ew, I hear that? I wish it would stick without the little gum thing. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna wear this in Friday's video. So we got two little fangs. That's cute. And this is from, who are the fangs from? Ruby May Cosmetics. Okay, so that's a cute, oh guys, y'all know how I feel about Halloween, and this is a good start to our first little item in our Lashy box that's really cute. Be on the lookout for Friday's video. We're gonna have some fangs in. Ooh. All right, so we have some lashes. Oh, girl. Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, let's stop and let me just get to it. Okay, first up, we have the LashyBox Bombshell 3D Silk Lashes. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. These are my type of lashes. Y'all, look how full and dramatic and beautiful that is. OMG. I absolutely love it. Now, I do not have prices for these lashes, guys. I don't really look them up for LashyBox because I really don't. The prices don't matter to me for this box. But if I can find some of the prices, I'll put them below. If not, sorry. Okay, so yeah, so these are the first ones, and this is Bombshell, and these are really cute. Y'all, they're so long, dramatic, beautiful. Oh, girl, those are my type of lashes. Y'all know I love the drama. Like these today. Y'all like them? Up next, I have, we got some lashes called October. And these are also from LashyBox. And look at these guys. Oh, they are super sexy. You see, they have the short to long, which y'all know is my favorite. I call it like the cat eye look. And these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. I love them. They look pretty full. The ones with the little, it's like crisscross lashes, but they give off a more natural look. But I do like this. I do like the slant, the cat eye sexy look. I'm sorry, guys. I put my fan on and I forgot to turn it off. I don't want you guys to hear it in the background, so I had to turn it off. It's very hot in here with these lights, so I was trying to, you know, cool down. But anyway, guys, getting back into these October lashes, these are gorgeous, but I think I'm gonna wear these on Friday, these Bombshell ones, for my Friday fang look. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna be Friday, but we're gonna be something good. Maybe like a Vampire Friday. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think we should do for Friday's video. Okay, guys, so next up, some other lashes that are really, really, really my style. And these are the LashyBox JoJo lashes. And look at those, guys. Oh my goodness, these are absolutely gorgeous. They're all the same length, so they're gonna give you a full eye from the front to the back. It's gonna make it look so sexy and so mysterious, especially paired with a good old black liner and a wing. Girl, oh yes, I don't know, I might wear JoJo now, because these two look quite similar. I love them. These may be a little fuller though, these JoJo lashes. Ooh, the decisions, Lord. And last but not least, we have these Baby Boo lashes from LashyBox here. And that is what they are looking like. And I can tell you right now, guys, these are gonna go into a giveaway because these are too short for me. I do love a more longer, fuller, dramatic lash, and these look a little more on the natural side. So I'll put these in a giveaway, but they are cute. They're very natural. And what I was thinking about doing was possibly ordering that soft natural box just for 1 month, just to see what the lashes look like in that box, because I'm very interested in knowing. So we may just order, may have 2 lashy boxes for next month, since that is my birthday month. Well, maybe I should do the dramatic lash then. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys know though if we do that, okay? And last up, guys, we have a palette. And this is the, we also got, before I go into the palette, we got a different style of lash glue here in a different little bottle. It usually comes like in a little clear bottle, small, but this is a little cute. Let's see how it looks with the tip. Oh, and it's got like a little applicator on it. So yes, this is perfect. I love LashyBox's glue. It is so, so, so strong, and ooh, I love it. Okay, so let's get back to this Pop Zombie palette from Ruby May Cosmetics, and that is what we are looking like, guys. and we're gonna slide it out, and it's the same thing on the front here. I love that they're keeping up with this Halloween theme. I love that. All right, guys, so let's open it up and see what we're looking like. Oh, okay. Cute. So it does come with a mirror, guys. We're gonna fold it back, and these are what the colors are looking like in this palette. Very pretty. They're actually a little lighter than I would think for being like a zombie palette or a Halloween palette, but this blue right here, ooh, it's beautiful. Looks like 7 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. So we're gonna swatch them really quick on my arm. So this is what it looks like swatched out onto my arm here. Can y'all see it? I hope y'all can. This blue is beautiful, but it is a little patchy. All of the matte shades are kind of patchy. Those 2 shimmer shades, which are right here, or gorgeously swatched. I love the way the shimmer shades swatch, but the other ones are quite powdery. But guys, y'all know what I say about swatches. It doesn't matter how they swatch on the arm. All that matters to me is when the brush hit that eye and see what this palette can do. Okay, boo? So that is the last product. Oh, my hair's sticking out. Why y'all didn't tell me? All right, so that is our last product that we received in our LashyBox for this month. We're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna give final thoughts. We're gonna rate the box, and we're gonna be done. So up first, we received this Pop Zombie palette from Ruby May Cosmetics. We received from LashyBox these lashes in the style JoJo, Bombshell, October, and Baby Boo here. And we also received the lash glue and these cute, adorable little fangs with the glue there. So that is 2, 4, 6 products. If you want to count the little glue, that would be 7. 6 products for this month, guys. Wow, for $13.99, I would say that is such a steal. Y'all know how I feel about this box. I absolutely love it. The palette swatched out okay. I'm not really too excited about these colors because they're so light to be fall and Halloween themed. But I guess if you're doing something fun for Halloween, this would be a great palette for you to use. So overall, I'm very pleased with my box. Even if I don't use the palette, having 3 pairs of lashes makes it up for me, guys, because these are my style. These are beautiful. They're full, they're thick, they're my type of lashes. So I'm very excited about this box. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is trash to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, y'all know what I'm gonna give LashyBox for this month. We're not gonna do a 5 this month, guys. We're gonna do a 4.5. Only because I'm not really feeling this palette too much. But when we play with it, if I do like it, then it'll go up into 5. But for this month, we're going to give them a 4.5, which is still a great, great, great box. I do love the fact that they gave me some fangs, which I'm going to put on in Friday's video. So that is great. Y'all know how I feel about LashyBox. If you guys want to subscribe to LashyBox, my link is down below. Don't forget to hit it. Go on and get you some lashes. Now they have a more natural box for all of my beginner subscribers who are afraid of the dramatic or the regular style lashes. You can start off with the natural box. Beautiful, beautiful lashes. Again, the link is down below if you guys want to get on board with LashyBox. If you're not subscribed to the TonyaNicole Bomb as Subscriber Squad, they don't know what you're waiting for. You need to go on and hit that button and subscribe to me. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up if you want to. If not, I still appreciate you guys so much. Follow me on social media, guys. All of my links are down below. I am most active on Instagram. And that's all, guys. That's all I have for today. So I'm starting to sweat. So I'm going to take these lashes off, get in the bed, and take me a good little rest. What y'all think? I think that's a good idea. So guys, until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.